Hello, my name is Amelia and I'm an occupational therapist here at Kids Matters OT. Today I'm sharing with you about our new fine motor kit that you can purchase online or in any of our clinics at Aspley, Greenslope, so Yeerongpilly. So what's this kit for? Well, this kit is full of several fine motor activities that you can use at home or when you're out and about to help develop your child's fine motor skills. We know the importance of developing fine motor skills and ensuring kids are independent in their everyday occupations, which include writing and dressing, feeding, and even play. But we know that before our kids can handwrite with control or use their knife and fork like a pro, they need the foundational fine motor skill development. So what's included in these packs? Well, in every single pack, you'll get a booklet that gives a list of different activities that you can do with the resources that are included. And these include tongs, string, a peg, beads, paper clips, pom-poms, buttons, TheraPutty, and perhaps my favorite, the tennis ball monster. Now, all of these seem quite simple, but they're really effective in helping to develop some of those fine motor skills that are needed for handwriting and cutlery and dressing, such as in-hand manipulation skills, manual dexterity, hand and finger strength, as well as hand-eye coordination. All of these are really valuable and you can use these in different ways and you can come up with your own ideas of activities. We would love for you to share those different activities with us on our Facebook page so we can be inspired by your creativity. So how often should you use this kit? Well, we recommend choosing 3 to 4 activities every day to practice with your child. The key thing to remember is to keep it motivating and engaging for them. For example, you may incorporate pretend play with the tennis ball monsters.
I'm going to eat all of my apples. Nom 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 nom. Oh.
Or you can have competition with your kids and their siblings around who can pick up the most pom-poms within the time limit and then beating your scores, or who can make the highest stack of beads without them falling over. We want to make things as playful as possible because we know that when kids are having fun, they're more likely to learn. We would encourage you then, once you've done some of the activities in the fine motor packs, to practice the skill that your child is having difficulty with, whether that be handwriting or using cutlery or manipulating buttons. If you have any further questions, feel free to talk to your OT and they'll give you more suggestions of ways that you can use this kit through the week. So some ideas that you can use with your TheraPutty to help develop hand and finger strength is TheraPutty is very like Play-Doh, so in a similar way, but it's a lot harder because it's a therapy grade. This is a new piece and you'll see that it's really hard for me to squeeze, but practicing skills like rolling out the TheraPutty or pinching it is all really helpful in developing that hand strength. Something that we really like to do here in clinic is hiding marbles or beads inside the TheraPutty and the child needs to find them, or sometimes I play that the green monster's stolen all the beads and the kids need to run away from the monster or find it, or really how you use TheraPutty is only limited by your imagination, so have fun with it. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this video has been helpful in explaining what's inside the fine motor kits and some ideas of how we can use them. If you have any other further questions, please feel free to contact the clinic either via the phone or via email, and our admin staff will be able to give you further information.